Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Nissan Altima. Stock number is A8286A. Starting right away up front, you have a nice chrome grille. We're going to take a look down the passenger side here, and then we're going to be taking a look at the alloy wheels. Taking a look inside, you have cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. There's no rips or stains on any of the seats here, all very clean. We're going to take just one more look down the passenger side before we swing around to the back end here. Taking a look inside of the trunk. There's plenty of storage room as well as a 60-40 split on the rear seats. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside now, you have audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls mounted to the steering wheel. Full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. Climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Nissan on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.